Good morning, Way fam from Sao Paulo, Brazil.
I'm Ashley. This is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. All right, today we are in Sao Paulo, as I mentioned, and we are going to be eating as much food as possible.
Yeah, so Visit Brazil is working with us today and taking us on a tour of the city as well as a food tour, and we cannot wait to try breakfast, lunch, and dinner just like the Brazilians do.
So we were recommended to come to Sofa Cafe. It's like couch coffee is the name, which makes it sound comfy.
Yeah, it sounds really
They've
good.
got couches here.
Look at all these different types. So in Brazil, you can have so many different types of coffee, and specifically here in Sao Paulo, I think that they have different names for everything. So when you go from place to place in Brazil, the names change of what the coffee, I can't keep track of it. It's like when you ask for, you can't ask for a latte, it's like coffee and milk, and then they ask like, do you want more coffee than milk, or do you want more milk than coffee? Like it's all switched up. But as long as I get happy coffee, I think I'm gonna be happy. It's called bolo chuva, which is like a rain cake. Supposedly it rains a lot here, so when you're inside and your family has nothing to do, little grandma will go in the kitchen and she'll make you this delicious cake. This is not the traditional type, I think, but it's more like a coffee cake, which is what we're used to in the US, as dulce de leche on the outside here, and then it's more cake consistency on the inside. It looks really good. I don't think this is a traditional breakfast, but the type of breakfast that I could get down with.
Is it like a toffee? Because you said the top is like a dulce de leche, but...
It's not super sweet, which is really nice. It's just a really good texture and just a little bit of sweetness, but it gives a really great moisture to the cake. It's really sticky though. Good with coffee.
For my breakfast, I've had pão de queijo. It's toast with cheese, I'm pretty sure. And then there's also this on the side, which looks like butter. Yeah, it's just pure butter. It's definitely butter. So these little toasties have cheese cooked right into the inside. And of course slather some butter on. Perfect. The only problem with these is you're gonna eat a lot of them.
This is the Brazilian money. It's so colorful. And on every single one, they have a different animal. The 2 is my favorite, obviously, because there's a sea turtle, but the 10 has a cool parrot, the 20 has monkeys, and the 50, a jaguar. So awesome. Lunch, we have come to a famous place called Beco do Batman, which is Batman Alley. And the reason why this alleyway is so famous is because of all the amazing artwork that's around here. This is artwork from many different artists, and some of it changes quite often.
It's a little bit empty right now, but that's because we're here quite early in the morning. So that's a nice tip for you. If you want to get photos with all of the graffiti, come a little bit earlier. You can see it's already starting to fill up.
and we have come to a little restaurant that seems to be very popular.
It's called Consulado da Bahia. It's from the northeastern part of Brazil, a state called Bahia.
Thanks, Josh. I couldn't have said it better myself.
This is a dish called carne de sol del mignon. It's corned beef mignon. I'm gonna try and say it in Portuguese. Wish me luck. Farofa de feijão. Farofa de feijão. All right. And it comes with a special banana. It's just like a normal banana, but their name for it here is banana da terra grelhada. Something like that. It means banana of the earth.
The dish that I've chose is
Whoa.
The dish that I chose is called bobo de camarón. I may be saying that wrong, but I'm giving it a go, guys. If I said it wrong, let me know below how you're supposed to say it. But this dish came bubbling. It was so hot. It comes in a little hot bowl here. I have some shrimp in there. I have all different types of things. But one of the reasons why I got this dish was because it has coconut milk in it. And I love dishes with the creamy, sweet coconut milk. Now these dishes are giant and they are meant to be shared. I probably couldn't eat this whole thing by myself. It also comes with some sides. This is like a bean that has been crushed. I've never seen something like that. And then this is almost like a potato, but it's really creamy side dish that you put on rice. Delicious. Alright, I have everything mixed together. And I have a little shrimp on here with some rice. It's so creamy. Super like, not spicy, but like almost like a curry.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks kind of like a curry, but with a coconut milk.
It tastes so good. I could maybe actually eat this whole dish.
So this is farofa. It's a bean, and it looks like it has like bacon cooked into it as well. Oh yeah, there's bacon in there. The beans, because of the bacon, it tastes like very meaty, but the beans are really smooth and creamy. They fill your mouth at the same time. Like I feel like that could be a meal all by itself. Next up is the corned beef mignon. Whoa, that cuts really easily for what's essentially a butter knife. I was surprised. There we go. Yep, it smells like corned beef, like you would expect. Very salty in the beginning. Almost like a boiled egg taste to it. I don't know if that's describing it correctly, but yeah, it's like a little like salty boiled egg, but meat. That's good. So last, we have to try the banana of the earth. So normal banana here for Brazil. That's really good. I feel like they tried to fry it, but normally when you fry it, the whole bottom gets coated and crispy. This seems to have like a really very light frying on it. It's good. It's really mushy. There's nothing crispy or crunchy on it, which is what I was expecting, but really good flavor.
Later, and it is dinner time, and our choice for dinner tonight is pizza. I know you guys are thinking, why go to Brazil to get pizza? It's actually really famous here and we didn't even know it, so we've ordered a pizza that's half and half. We've also ordered a famous beverage that they have here. There's an alcohol called cachaça, and they put it inside here. I've chosen to get a strawberry one, but you can get lots of different flavors inside here. Josh got a lemon or lime one. My understanding of cachaça is that it is the sugarcane juice that's been fermented, and that's what creates the alcohol.
I think so. Similar to a rum, at least it's
similar, but I think rum is kind of cooked in a way, and the cachaça is not. And so this is called. He said cachaça is distilled. Ah, yeah. Oh, there you go. And so then they've created a drink here in Brazil called caipirinha. Caipirinha? Yeah, it's a mix of usually the cachaça and sugar, and then whatever fruit you've decided, and they muddle it, and then they put it in with a lot of ice. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Josh said that it's really strong. That is really good.
Is it dangerous?
Yes. That is so delicious. One more, please. Obrigada. They have a huge menu of different pizzas you can choose from. I specifically chose one that has burrata cheese on it. It has prosciutto, it has arugula, it has tomatoes, artichoke hearts. It sounds like everything delicious that I love.
And I basically got a margarita pizza.
Yeah.
But it's very popular here. I'm not cheating or anything, even though Ashley sounds Italian and mine's a margarita. It's Brazilian, I promise.
Yeah, the cool thing is not only do they have these pizzas that are savory, but they also have a huge array of sweet pizzas that you can try with chocolate on them and cinnamon and sugar and strawberries. It looks so good. I'm really excited to put this in my mouth. The cheese is so creamy.
The look on your face says it's delicious.
Yeah. I seriously love everything about this pizza. The prosciutto and the saltiness of the artichoke I love. And then along with the creaminess of the cheese, it's so good.
All right, we are gonna enjoy our pizza. Everything is delicious. It's amazing. This juice, Ashley was saying the drink with the cachaça liquor, it's dangerous. Ashley really likes it.
So good. It's probably one of my favorites. Mojito is hard to beat because that is definitely my favorite.
I like this one more than a mojito personally.
If there was mint in here, then it would be like a mojito.
All right, fair enough. All right, we are going to enjoy this. Wayfam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. A big thanks to the Brazil Tourism Board and Visit Brazil for helping us make this video. It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you to everyone on the crew. We had a wonderful time.
We have so much more to do and see here in Brazil.
Yeah.
We are going to Rio next, and then we have
Bonito.
Rio. We're going to Rio next.
And then Bonito.
Oh yeah.
And
Don't
then,
spoil everything.
And then something else involving like trees and water and giant spiders and
Monkeys.
anaconda snakes.
Oh, I
Guess.
can't wait.
I'll let you guess.
Yeah, let us know down below. If there's anything that you saw in our video today that you're dying to try, please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you guys. So, Wayfam, I guess we'll see you in the next video. I heard that the cute way of saying goodbye
Not
is
just ciao, but
is
ciao.
Okay, good night.